Good morning. Today we're going camping. Today's travel day. Can you believe it? Yeah, we're going camping. So, we're going to take the van and we're going to take the truck camper. We loaded all the chairs and stuff in the van. And that way, if we want to run around, we can take the van and run around.
Oh, this is going to be the sign for Bandit's Tribute Garden. It says Bandit's Garden.
Oh,
and
how
it's got
cool.
butterflies and birds on it.
Oh,
I can't wait to see it.
I know, I can't wait to see it.
I don't know what that other one is. I'll have to see.
I didn't have any mail?
You did not.
Okay.
I walked in and their door, hi, wiggle back, 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 wiggle back. I walked in, oh gosh, can I get in? Can I get in? I walked in and the big doors closed and she goes, I'm here.
Oh.
And I'm like, well, are you closed? She goes, no, the door's broken. I do wiggle back, wiggle back,
Wiggle back. There's our cows. There's our cat. You see the cows, Sammy? Well, this is a weird. Driving the truck. Where are we going?
I think we're going camping and it'll be Finn's first time. Finn, can you tell everybody how excited you are? Okay, chill. Oh, good boy. Good chill.
Are you looking for your mom? Did she go in the store? Yeah. You gonna drive? Huh? You gonna drive? She's like, he's like, where is she? That's not her. That's not her. That's not her. You sweet boy. We're at Dollar Tree picking up some few things, huh? You sweet, yeah. What's Sammy do? Finn driving. You're doing good, Finn. You're doing good. Keep your hand on the steering wheel. Good. Oh yeah, look for pedestrians over there. And over there. You know she's coming, don't you? You just don't know. Oh, I know. Got your little diapers on. Yeah. Oh, goodness. You're looking at every person, huh? Like, is that her? Is that her? Is that her? Maybe over here? Maybe over here? Hey, Sammy. What are you doing? You just hanging out? You just hanging out too? We're going camping? Oh, goodness. We're going camping. Are you having fun looking for her? No, that's not her. That's not her. I know. She'll be here in just a minute. Finn, look. Finn. There she is.
They were out of your, hang on, buddy. Hang on. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hi, Sammy. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. Okay. Can I get in now, guys?
Come on, Sam.
Wiggle back. Can I get in? Can I get in? Okay, thank you.
Come on, Sam.
Coming in.
Come on. We gotta go pick up our Walmart order.
Coming in.
We're headed to the lake. Yee-haw. We made it to the lake. We're camping. We just go from one place sitting in a chair to another place sitting in a chair.
That's not true. That may be a little true.
I know, but it's hot.
It is so hot.
It
I
is
got my
hot.
neck fan on high.
It is hot, but yep. We're camping for
I
the
mean, we have AC, but we didn't come to the lake to sit inside in the AC.
No, let me show you the lake, and we don't have the site that we usually get because it's reserved, not tonight, but for the next 2 nights. So, but that's it. So we're gonna just sit here and look at the site that we usually park at. But there's the lake.